No seconds. Third. It's all within the calorie allowance. This is a no-frills, one pot, quick, nourishing, nutrient dense, low calorie and yummy 2 type of dish. You should check out the recipe. Very quick dinner. Guys, I try and eat my dinner by 3:30. 4 o'clock most of the time. It's 5 o'clock now because I'm not feeling hungry today, but I've got to get my protein. Let me show you what I've made. Okay, so just bringing this out the oven. 4 eggs, sweet, delicious. Somehow I've got to get my protein in. Okay, so in this recipe, if you want to call it a one-pot dish, I think that would be fitting rather than calling it Spanish omelette, or you could call it that. However, this is a little bit of creative cooking right here. Let me bring you closer so you can see all of the ingredients in here. Okay, and if you can see it, I got some olives in there, butternut squash, peas. Now, I have got plantain in here. I guess you could say plantain is also Spanish. Well, it's African first before Spanish. I don't want to start a war. But the chief ingredient here, guys, is the eggs. I try and get my eggs in every blessed day. Okay, so there is my plate, and ideally I should finish everything in this, but I've been very generous with making it stretch so other people can eat, because mainly what's in here is vegetable and the eggs. Basically, I've literally put, let me count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 cubes of butternut squash here. Look, pieces like that into this entire pan, rather than cooking it completely on the hob. I finish it up in the oven, right? I just literally got it out. Okay. Now, I love the Mediterranean twists in this dish with the olives, and you know, the type of sauce you put on your pasta, but with the olives. That's what's in this omelette or one-pot dish. So guys, if I'm not eating this for breakfast, brunch mainly, and now it's dinner, but I'm thinking of a sweet treat in my dinner tonight. That's why I've added plantain into the mix rather than potato. Usually it will be sweet potato if I want carbs. Otherwise, it's just the eggs and the vegetables. And I'm happy with that. It suits me very well. And my body is used to it. So by the time I've eaten by 3:30, I'm done. If I need to have any desserts, well, desserts now. There's no desserts on my vocabulary. If I'm hungry, 2 kiwi, 1 orange, 1 banana, or a bowl of my blueberries. And I make the blueberry into a drink. Just pour hot water in my frozen berries, a tiny bit of honey if I really want sweetness. But tonight, the sweetness is in the dinner with the plantain. Rather than frying the plantain, I've cooked it in this juicy Mediterranean sauce. And another secret ingredient in here, I could keep you guessing, but you haven't tasted, you're never going to know. I have put some dollops of miso pastes into this. So I haven't put any salt at all. The miso paste, that Japanese umami taste, meat Mediterranean, Italian, Spanish, with my own made broth. This food is heaven. Food heaven right here. What are you having for dinner? And what time do you finish eating for the day? Do you eat early enough so your body doesn't have to be digesting your dinner in your sleep? Food for thought. Enjoy your evening, people. Much love.